suppose in 2011 we were making 70 cows. This year now we're making 112 cows. So in the intermittent time we have put in a new shed with 76 cubicles that went in about 5 years ago. There in 2019 we put in a calving unit and a calf house. So I suppose the infrastructure is very important around the yard, just for I suppose the nature of our land. So we need things right. We also put in a lady robot there last year. I suppose that has reduced the amount of time scraping slats and keeping the sheds clean. Cows are a lot cleaner on cubicles. Also, just this year gone, this spring, we were actually started milking in a new milking parlour. We went from a 10-unit to a 16-unit parlour with full drafting facilities. So I suppose from a labour point of view, it has freed up my time a lot more. I suppose I'm saving an hour in the mornings, and I suppose it has made things a lot easier. It's a one-man show here, so things have to be right, especially on the yard side of things.